Finally a day where I could take my car up to the mountains and look for bluethroat or maybe ptarmigan. And there's still some snow here on the mountain, and I'm really curious if I'm going to find some birds. It's beautiful weather and all just like ready for having a great evening with some birds. If I can find some birds though, but I hope to find the bluethroat. I have arrived here much more earlier because I want to have enough time to scout before the sun gets a little bit lower. I just saw it and heard it around 200 meters from me. So, yes. I was like scouting a little bit on the same area that I was here 2 years ago. Didn't see anything. And I've been here for a little while now, but I saw it. So, that is really, really nice. And the male there looks awesome. Really beautiful, with the blue and red colors on the breast. Here it is. Did you see that? Sitting there and singing that beautiful song. This is like the mountain's most beautiful song. Has all the great repertoire with many like different kind of voices, but being like beautiful song, this makes it a really interesting bird to document and photograph and be around, and just awesome. I'm sorry if I get too excited, but this is so great. It's been 2 years since I've seen the bluethroat, and it's really, really nice to see it again. Whew, that was close. And I didn't have a fully camouflage, but as long as I sat really, really still. It didn't care. I didn't take any pictures because the sun is way too high yet, and I just need to wait a lot longer, have some patience, even though it's so tempting. But when the light is like this here, it won't be any pretty pictures. It's going to be too harsh of a shadow, and the colors don't pop as much as they do when it's a little bit softer light. So I need to wait, I need to have patience. But this is awesome. So worth the trip up this mountain, and I love it here. Yeah, like I said, just have patience now. I know it's in the area, I know it will be around here, so just need to wait until the sun is a little bit more lower. And what is that? The sun is almost like dipping behind the mountains there, and the area around here is in shadow, but the mountain further back will be in light much longer. So therefore it's really easy to get dark picture if you don't pay attention and overexpose. I'm not using manual mode, but I'm using aperture mode, and therefore I need actually to overexpose by plus 1.7 to get a bright enough picture and not get the bird really dark. The bird is all over the place here, and it's a beautiful light. The sun has just dipped behind the mountains there. So I am at ISO 1000 and 250 of a second, and f4 to like blur out the background. There is a little bit different kind of background here, so I want to blur that as much as possible. But this is so nice. The bird, oh, there it is. Oh, it just flew a little further back. Time to head home. Had a really great day, but I don't want to go home. I have some hours to drive home, so it's going to be late, but so worth it. This was really nice. But now I'm heading home. Hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.